Welcome, here I've got BLACKVIEW A80 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the Pro by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. When we tap on it, we get access to a few sliders. So let me show you how it works. The first one here allows us to control the white balance of our picture, so the temperature, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So we have the incandescent light, daylight, fluorescent light, and the cloudy light. And of course there's no problem to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by going back to the beginning of the slider to the left. Now let's move to the next one button here with the ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 1 and 6,000 of it. So I think this is enough spectrum to this camera. When we go back to the beginning, we can go with ISO to the auto and start using this from the beginning. Now let's move to this slider at the center. Here we can adjust the exposure compensation of our picture, so we can manage the light of our photo. By going to the right, we can make it more bright. By going to the left, we can make it more dark, as you can see. This is how it works. The next one slider allows us to control the focusing, so we can use manual focus like that, and of course go back to the beginning of the slider to the autofocus. And the last one slider allows us to control the shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking photo. We can pick from spectrum 1 and 4,000 of seconds, so this is really short time of taking picture, and this should be better to objects, for example, that are in move. To frozen them at the picture, by going to the right we can make our time much longer. The longest is 30 seconds, so this is really long time, and this should be definitely better to objects that are stable. At the beginning of the slider, of course, we have the auto settings, so we can easily go back to the auto shutter speed. And this is how to use all of these sliders. Now let me manage this to take a picture, so let's stay on the incandescent light, maybe the ISO here, a little bit brighter, the focusing, let's stay here, and the shutter speed, maybe here. To see my photo, let's go to the left to this button. Here we can get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.